Okay, this is pretty vert, guys. Holy shit. All right, let's ride on, bud. Okay, guys, we are back. Warming up to 300. I am at 17.1 hours. And my buddy Kevin's here. All right, let's rock out. First time riding back to Canada. I've only ridden this bike 2 hours in Canada in total. That was up here earlier in the year. First break-in of the bike. Woo! Still rocking the OEM tires. The rear tire is done from Moab. 7 days of riding Moab. 15 hours of Moab. Here we go, guys. Something swirly. That's what Kevin says. You want something tough right off the bat? Alright, where is he gonna go? Got logs everywhere. Oh, a little bit of a trail somewhere. Holy crap. Where's the trail, Kevin, huh? Oh, that stuff gets in your face. Oh, wet logs. Oh, I didn't quite find the best line, huh? Yeah, it makes it slow going. Just this stuff gets in your face, huh? This thing. It pops on you. It gets in your mouth. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of ground down. I don't know where to run. I'll try to your left. See if I can see a line. Oh shit! Woo! Didn't expect that. The rear end just went gone, huh? Yeah.
There's another way up. We can go back down and up the other way.
Yeah, find a trail. A real trail. Oh, look at this claw on the way out. See, Kevin, he's a really good rider. He's got all the moto experience, supermoto as well. Holy shit. Look at this. Not quite like Moab, huh? Just a little different. Woo! Look at that sun. Where the hell did he go? Oh, these things are knocking with I'm glad I got little bark busters, huh? Branch busters. Woo, my fingers are frozen. Woo! Yeah, that looks gnarly. Well, we should probably hit it. There Kevin goes. No speed. Oh yeah, you got no run.
That was an ugly run. I got a shitty start.
Yeah, you didn't do the best start. I'll try. Gotta get some camera footage. First gear, huh? Oh, no. Failed before I begun. Gotta make that course. I gotta get that start. Gotta get that start. Yeah, berm. Oh, it's just horrible. Holy shit. Yeah. Maybe we should move on, huh? Still got my thumb on the gas. Oh no! Oh! Oh shit, on the way down!
Yeah.
Damn! You did a 360 fucking spiral at the top, dude.
Tell me you got that on film.
Alright, found a little trail, guys. Look at this, some single track. Yeah. There's a little trackle. Into a ditch. Get through there. Whoa. This will be a good test for going back to a new tires. That cheater 505 rear. And I got what I got, a Michelin Starcross medium front, medium compound to put on. I got the nitro moves in the rear tire right now, and I was thinking about this yesterday, or like, I'm like, oh, I forgot to take, you know, because you're protecting your rads when you're working the fins, like just the littlest nick can nick your fins, right? And look, so this whole time my bike was just, air was going in the front of the rad.
And not coming through.
And not coming through,
nice
but the bike never overheated whatsoever.
Thank you.
That's so funny.
That is quite funny.
A lot of people are always like, you got the TPI, you have to put a fan on it. And I'm like, I did all Moab, which was a nice sunny days, crawling around, never had one peep of overheating. And but I also put the AMSOIL and the coolant boost in there as well, so that helps a lot. All right, back on the trail. Into the front, guys. Here we go. Still hard to see. Whoa. The rocks. Woo! Woo, get that power back. Go this way, I guess. Alright. Yep, I taste blood. Whoa, my legs are slippery. Everything is so slick out here, guys. That's first gear. You took a bad line. That's like Bert, you hit like a stop.
I hit like a big, huge step.
Yeah, it's a stopper. Man, it is slick out here. I washed my front end out, dude. I just on the nothing, you know, you're just doing nothing and you just lose the front.
Back there, it's touchy.
Yeah, I don't know. I went right, you can see right here, right onto the skid bar. Look at this view, guys. Oh, watch for that rock. It is so slick on that front tire now after Moab. It's absolutely garbage. Those Dunlops are garbage. They only lasted friggin' 7 days of rock crawling though. No tires really last long. I'm just making fun. Not doing very good so far. Look at this beautiful sun. We're in the shadows now. Oh, big ditch. Oh, another big ditch. Hard to see. These are big washouts. Oh, they're everywhere. Up we go. Gaining a lot of elevation. Bike is running perfect though. No needing to regen as I go. Woo! Look at this at the top of the mountain. This walking road, they just coach the land, guys. And then they say like, oh, this is, you can't dirt right here, you can't dirt right here. No, but the government's like, whoa, you can go log it all though. That's okay, that's okay. Yeah, look at this destruction. And we are back, everybody. How did I get? Look at this. That sun is beautiful. Alright, down we go. Now the sun's to our back. Look at the snow in the mountains. Okay guys, remember this? I'm not gonna, just gotta get a good run. Maybe I'll start in the hole. I'll go check it out.
What I do, Marcel, is I get like, I just roll up in second gear, and then as soon as I see my line, I basically just grab a handle.
I know, but then it spins out.
No. Keep your clutch in until you find the perfect line and deliver your power with your clutch.
Uh-huh. All right.
Yeah.
Whoa. That was a tough, I almost high-sided.
That was nice. That was a smooth dismount.
But sketchy. Oh yeah, I widened my steering radius, remember? Oh yeah, it's so good. Whoa, it's muddy. Whew. What?
Does that have 6 gears?
Yeah, it's a 6-speed. That was first.
You could probably go, oh, that was first. I thought so.
It was too low.
Go second. Go second and just grab a handful and then deliver it with your clutch.
Okay, well, we'll give one more try.
Yeah,
There's second gear. Whoa! Yeah!
Nice, buddy.
Woo! That was killer! I got a way better run. Now we gotta go down. Okay, this is pretty spurt, guys. Holy shit. And slippery. It's like mud! It's holy shit, it's like mud! Look at it spraying over my back! Yeah, it's actually like it turns into pure mud because it's just all been destroyed by the fire. Oh, good guys. Anyways, my name is Marcel Irnie. This is my buddy Kevin. And playing on the new bike. He's playing on his old YZ 250.
Trusty old girl.
What year is that one?
99. No, 09. Sorry. 09.
2009. Yeah. So 10 years on it right now. Look at the gusset style out of the frame, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Terrific, guys. If you guys enjoy this hill climb, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Peace. Okay, just keep her going. I'm more of a rally road. Oh shit, there's a divot. Whoa! Woo! Whoa, into the hole! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Pulling a toad, whoa! Pulling a toad here. Whoa, shit. What was that? Yeah! That was some fun. Alright, get it back, guys. Woo! He's gonna hit his jump. Look at the cat running.
One of the hardest things to do is going to be the pirouette at the top.
Look at this, guys. So he built a new jump. Oh, he's got to transition into it. Holy shit. Oh, he's taking this way. Whoa, and he's got to go through the fence. Shit.